magmahal ka ng ano, walang karoon. Kung bigla sa istorya sa buhay ng mga salamat tayo. Ayun, ikaw kasi rin ako.
I've never been this committed from the moment I said yes to you. You came to me as if to prove me that love alone can move mountains, which I understand now. But love makes the world mine. Or a proof that God answers prayers, even which I think those prayers are from a very long time ago. I've seen how persistent you are in pursuing me and committing who's right. Now that we're finally here, I can attest that you are a gift, my partner, and my best friend. I promise to be a future wife, willing to go through life's ups and downs together. In this new chapter of our lives, I promise to honor and respect you as a head of our future family. And by God's grace, center our relationship on God's favor and blessing. I love you.
I'll never fully know how deep your heart can go, or the beauty of your soul. Oh, you, where were you all along? Every other one was wrong, and I found where I belong. Oh, the day I met you, I think I met myself. I don't ever wanna be with anyone else. We got the kind of story that the stories would tell, different than I've ever felt. And I know we've got our whole lives, no indignance inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you. And I know we've got our whole lives, no indignance inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you tonight. Yeah, yeah, be with you tonight. Yeah, yeah, be with you tonight. We're not in a rush, we're not gonna leave, but I can't get enough of what you do to me. We're not in a rush, we're not gonna leave, but I can't get enough of what you do to me. And
The Lord God said, "It is not good for the man to be alone. I will make a helper suitable for him." Now the Lord God had formed out of the ground all the wild animals and all the birds in the sky. He brought them to the man to see what he would name them. And whatever the man called each living creature, that was its name. So the man gave names to all the livestock, the birds in the sky, and all the wild animals. But for Adam, there is no suitable helper was found.
sometimes you get something good and you don't know why. Sometimes it all comes together, you know it's right. A feeling like this never gets old. Whatever I do, I won't let go. Look at us now, a moment we own it, no doubt. There's nothing that's holding us down, you and me, as good as could be. Living this dream that we found. Look at us now. Oh, look at us now. There's so much waiting before us we've yet to find. There's endless
Oo, pang-unlock, pero nakatuloy sa mga vlogger, mga video. Dito tayo nag-vlogger. Kasi ako mga bata kapag-vlogger mo. Pero doon, nagka-message sa mga dili mo ito, kamitanan, dili mo daw sa pero yung tao tayo kayo, mas nga po, si Jackie, mga kalagawan, salite, tawag kayo, may kalagpunyo, kinapusga yung mga window. ako, pasahas ka. Pero bitaw, kailangan mo kaming ng asawa. Kailangan na, dapat kita dito ng temong uso. Malagin na, kailangan mo niya, ikaw bilang head. Hindi ka pwede nga, hindi mo magnawa ng asawa. Hindi ka pwede mga asawa, ikaw ang delikado. Hindi ka pwede nga, ikaw ang bilang sa mga bana. Kaya dapat na ang tanong though, bago pa ko nag-video, pero parehas ang tanong niya. Ano naman ko, so advice naman ko sa mga asen na mga na lahat ng love ng asawa kayo. Yun ko sa Biblia, love your wife as your wife, submit to your husband. And then, congratulations then, Pinoy.
Love is patient and kind. Love does not envy or boast. It is not arrogant or rude. It does not insist on its own way. It's not irritable or resentful. It does not rejoice at wrongdoing, but rejoices with the truth. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, and endures all things. So, you know, this is really a time of love, pero it is also a time of truth, no? So, this is just a one-time event, may kaya ang tanan, pero ang pinakadako dyan na trabaho ko ninyo is ang pag-marriage. Yeah, hindi siya pang one-time event, pang lifetime event, dyan siya. Dapat, pag-abot kay Jesus, kamo gihapon, no?
Pero nasa sabihan sa Tagalog, ang kaligayahan, nasa pagsama-sama, pag-unawa at pag-intindihan. Kung natin mga problema ng mga bukunahon, importante magkarubos, importante kayo. Congratulations ng doon, kamay ang mensahe.
Kung ang tulong mo sa Ginoo, na sa power. Kaya kung mo nang i-practice, madugay, hindi ka na pagbatay, hindi man lisod dito kumaon, ang tao na imo nang i-practice.
Kami niyo, it's not, there's all not a pleasure, it's what you call this, it's a responsibility. We're not born for ourselves, but we born for other people. And to the couples, there's always ups and bumps along the way, but you talk and support each other. I think everything will be okay. And our prayers and support the couple, kami especially sa family, alam ni Belumiti, ang support kasi din. And tayong gabi sa tanan.
Bisag ninyo nakapangit ka po na kung tawag sa imo ha. The baby became a lady and now the lady is a momship. Bahala na mo, i-figure out na ninyo ang marriage. Ma-figure out na ninyo kay sumamba sa ingon ni Papa. Basta anything na kanang imong i-endorse sa Ginoo, dili ka mag-worry. Nya kita nga family of mga warrior baya kayo tano, dali ra kay ta mag-goal o sa sugaanon ugma, napabayong agol. Mayon anak no sa una pa tong panahon ni noon karon kay nagsige na lang biglungag na nagko na lang ang mga so congratulations to the both of you, and Ben, please Jude Ben, take care of Kakang. Kakang is very at times vulnerable kayo, usahay lutang dili kay mo na sa istorya tarong because of her line of kanang work pud kanang ang iyang work is gina siya atubang sa computer, and siguro dili kayo nimo i-less nimo imong expectation kay Kakang because dili gyud siya ang kanang ginaingon na wife material. I think siguro kita man tanan sa pagsugod sa kaminyoon dili man gyud siguro ang mga babae wife material until such kanang along the way sa panag-uban ninyo mag-learn na lang manggid ka kay wala man kay choice kinahanglan jud ka mag-learn kay like based sa akong experience kay sa amo ang teng ka magsuon ang tigluto jud ang mga lalaki. So katong time na nagbuot-buot ko ninyo digyo mo kay bawo luto ultimo magprito og isda mo pilit paghihapon sa karahay anay-ana gani but along the way, you will really learn and kailangan dyan mo na siya i-learn. So, take care of Kakang Ben, ha? We properly endorse Kakang to you. So, without any bitang dili broken, dili whole kayo ang pag-endorse na mo kay Kakang sa imo. So, ang pinigid siya as a whole. So, again, congrats, Dahay.
We as a couple, kami ni Ben, daghang salamat sa mga nagadto, sa inyong time, especially sa inyong effort sa pag-extend, hindi lang financially, but sa inyong support goods. You are very present sa karon na dako nga event para sa among duha. So, daghang salamat, especially sa Ginoo sa pag-unite sa ato from day 1 up until today na namidirin o sa mga tao na nakapalibot sa amoa na naghatag og message, especially magamit din namo sa marriage life ahead. So thank you Ninong and Nina sa pag-ato diri, and salamat kayo sa inyong all out support gyud. And kato ikaw ba na kayo? Copy-paste lang daw. And sa UM Coral, salamat kayo sa inyong mga beautiful voices. Gusto ninyo i-hire rocketeer na sila. So, kato lang, and God bless everyone. Magmulit na ka-safe.
This ring I give to you in faith and pledge of our growing love and devotion till the end of time. This ring I give to you in faith and pledge of our growing love and lasting devotion till the end of time.
When I saw you standing there under the stars, I knew it wouldn't be the last time. We could write an endless story through the struggle and the glory. By your side, I will stay. We will never fade away. There's a beauty that guides us like a fire in the night, as the sun shines upon each new We could sail the skies together till our skin is old.
Tapos ako for being with us sa kami ang today, okay. Provide sa tanan na mong paginahanglan, especially sa inyong suporta sa mga isun o sa tanan na inyong i-pour out sa mga para mag-carry kung asa lang ikaw sa kalang